Blue Stilton cheese is a special kind of cheese that has a unique taste and blue veins. It's made in a special way that gives it its delicious flavor. To make Blue Stilton cheese, farmers start by milking cows. The milk is collected and heated up gently. Then, a special ingredient called rennet is added. Rennet helps the milk to turn into curds. The curds are then cut into small pieces and put into molds. These molds help give the cheese its shape. The cheese is left to sit for a little while to let the whey drain out. After that, the cheese is put into a special room called an aging room. In this room, tiny bacteria called blue mold are added to the cheese. These bacteria are what gives Blue Stilton cheese its distinctive blue veins. Over time, the cheese starts to change. It becomes crumbly and develops its strong flavor. When the cheese is ready, it is taken out of an aging room and packaged up. Then it's sent to the stores where people can buy and enjoy it. So, the next time you see Blue Stilton cheese, you will know that it was made by farmers who turned fresh milk into curds, added blue mold bacteria and let it age until it became delicious and blue. Tell me in comment section below what you would like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.